If you're tracking more than one athlete, tournaments can get complicated fast. TKD Tracker's multi-champion support is designed to simplify that. From the home screen, you can add multiple champions and switch between them using the champion selector at the top of the app. When you create or open a tournament, the selected champion becomes your focus. Inside the tournament, you'll see only that champion's competitors, events, entries, videos, and results, keeping everything organized and easy to manage. You can run the same tournament for multiple champions without mixing data. Each athlete's scores, placements, and points stay completely separate, even when they compete in the same divisions. Switching champions instantly updates the app, so you always know who you're entering, scoring, and tracking. This same champion-based filtering also applies to the Competitors tab, making it easy to track opponents for each athlete individually. For families and coaches managing multiple athletes, this means smoother tournaments with far less confusion. TKD Tracker. Score it, track it, share it.